Here are 5 effective strategies to level up your Python skills. The first one is solidify the fundamental concepts of programming. Master syntax. Ensure a thorough grasp of Python syntax, including variables, data types, operators, control flow, and functions. Practice daily. Dedicate consistent time to coding, even if it is just 15 to 30 minutes per day. Regular practice reinforces concepts and builds muscle memory. Engage with learning resources. Utilize a mix of online tutorials, books, videos, courses, and interactive platforms like W3 Schools, Code Academy, or DataCamp to solidify understanding. The second is embrace projects and challenges. Build projects. Apply your Python knowledge to practical projects that align with your interests. This could involve creating a simple game, automating tasks, analyzing data, or building a web application. Participate in challenges. Engage in coding challenges or competitions like LeetCode, Code Wars, or HackerRank to test your skills, solve problems creatively, and learn from others. The third is explore specialized libraries and frameworks. Dive into libraries and frameworks, expand your skill set by exploring Python's rich ecosystem of libraries and frameworks tailored for specific domains, such as data analysis and visualization with NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, and Seaborn. Web development with Django or Flask. Machine learning with scikit-learn, TensorFlow, or PyTorch. The fourth is contribute to open source projects. Collaborate and learn. Get involved in open source projects on GitHub to contribute code. Collaborate with experienced developers and broaden your exposure to different coding styles and problem-solving approaches. The fifth is connect with the Python community. Engage and learn. Join online forums, communities, and discussion groups like Reddit or Stack Overflow to ask questions, share knowledge, and learn from fellow Python enthusiasts. Here are some of my additional tips. Write clean and Python code. Experiment and don't fear mistakes. Seek feedback and mentorship. Share your code with experienced developers for feedback and guidance to identify areas for improvement. Stay curious and explore. Continuously expand your Python knowledge by exploring new libraries, frameworks, and applications. Teach others. Share your Python knowledge by teaching or mentoring others, which can deepen your own understanding and solidify the fundamental concepts of Python programming. These are some of the strategies that level up your Python development skills. I hope you enjoyed this video tutorial. Thanks for watching.